Getting paid on Printful is straightforward. Here's how you can receive your earnings. Set up payment information. First, link your e-commerce platform to Printful. In your Printful dashboard, ensure your store's payment processor is correctly set up. Printful does not handle customer payments directly. Instead, your e-commerce platform will process payments from customers. Receive payments from customers. When a customer places an order in your store, the payment is processed through your e-commerce platform. The customer pays the retail price that you set for your product, including any shipping fees, fulfillment and production fees. Printful automatically deducts the production cost for the items you sold. This includes the base price of the product and shipping. You only pay Printful for production after receiving the payment from your customer. Withdraw your earnings. Once Printful processes your order and the funds are received in your store account, you can withdraw your earnings. If you are using PayPal or Stripe, you can withdraw your funds directly to your bank account from those services. Keep track of your earnings. Use your platform's analytics and reports to check your revenue and profits.